Are you curious to know the latest housing trend? It is the rise of multi-generational living. Did you know that 17% of the home buyers today are choosing multi-generational homes? That is the highest level ever recorded by the NAR. Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. So, why are more families coming together under one roof? Let us talk about what is driving this trend and how it could benefit you and your loved ones. First of all, a multi-generational home is when you buy a house to share with family members, whether it is your parents, adult children, or even your extended relatives. In the past, the main reason for multi-generational living was caregiving to help the aging parents. And while that is still an important factor, there is another key motivator right now: affordability. Let us face it, the cost of buying a home has risen in recent years. Many families are finding that by pooling resources, they can split the cost like mortgage, utility, and maintenance bills. It allows buyers to afford a home that would have been out of reach on their own and to upgrade to a larger property with more space and amenities. In a housing market where there are few ways to improve affordability, purchasing a property with family is a popular option. But it is not just about finances. Living in a multi-generational home also gives you the chance to spend more quality time with family. It can bring you closer together and create shared memories that last lifetime. So, if your budget is feeling a little stressed or you are looking for a way to keep your family connected, buying a multi-generational home could be the best perfect solution. I would like to help you to explore your options and find a home that fits your family's unique needs. Let us talk. Reach out today to my team and me, and let us start the journey to finding your next perfect home together. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area, helping buyers, sellers, and investors with integrity and excellence. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and make it a fantastic day.